Hello guys! Today I'm going to share my new simple strategy that will help you earn $1,223 on binary options trading. Don't miss my new working trading strategies. Subscribe to this channel to keep up to date with all updates. Don't wait for tomorrow to start moving towards success. Click like and join us on this exciting journey. Are you ready? So come on! I'm an expert in trading, and in this video I will show you how I earn money from trading. Use strategies to make money trading with minimal risks. You can use my strategies that I show and use them. Most importantly, think with a cool head and do not rely on emotions when trading. Always conduct an analysis before trading. The most exciting part of my video is my new strategy, which is guaranteed to work 100%. The strategy consists of two key indicators, Aroon and Fractal Chaos Bands. With the help of these indicators, I determine in which direction our chart will go. It's very simple. If the line in the indicator intersects with a downward reversal, this is a downside signal. Similarly, and vice versa. Another indicator shows the overall movement of the chart, which will also help us make decisions. Simple and clear. And now we go to the settings. I will leave everything to the basic settings. I leave the standard settings for the indicators. Now turn on the candles, set the interval to 1 minute. The transaction time is 30 seconds and you can start. I start with the amount of $90, which is where we will start at $1,223. We open the Euro CHF OTC currency pair and open our first trade for an increase in the amount of $90. Here we observe the intersection of the line in the indicator towards the rise. This is our signal to an increase. We also see the general upward movement of the chart. We see how our first deal confidently goes into the plus and the balance is $172. Are you looking for a path to financial independence? Join our trading group and receive signals for successful trades. Let's shape your financial future together. The link to the group is available in the description. We put the amount of $172 on the second deal, analyze the situation and make a deal for a decrease. There is a general downward movement of the chart, the intersection of lines towards the decline of the chart, and this is our signal to go down. Pocket option is not just a platform, it's my path to success. I feel absolutely confident and secure with this broker. Join my Telegram channel to get a referral link and start your journey to financial independence with us. This is how our deal is coming to an end. As we can see, our strategy is working. Our second deal ends in a plus. Our balance is already $331. And now we're increasing our transaction amount by $331. And now we're looking for the next situation that suits us, and this time we open a deal for an increase in the amount of $331. In this case, the indicator shows us the rise of the chart. This is a confident signal to an increase. So the deal is over, the next correct deal in a row, and we observe our balance at $637. The last trade will be for a decrease in the amount of $637. In this case, the indicator shows us a general downward movement and line crossings towards the decline of the chart. The deal is over. The next correct deal in a row, we observe our balance at $1,223. Yes! Our strategy is coming to an end. With the help of it, we have reached $1,223 from $90. All our deals were confidently successfully closed, which shows the success of the strategy that I showed you. Good luck and good profits to everyone. Bye-bye. Are you looking for an opportunity to increase your income through trading? Join my Telegram channel and use my referral link for pocket option bonuses. This is your chance to increase your earnings. If it sounds interesting, please like and subscribe to the channel to receive new signals. See you soon in the channel, my future crypto millionaires. Bye-bye.